Hi everyone, welcome back to DanceMamaDance, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be refinishing this shower hook in our bathroom. It is a silver finish and I'm just not a fan of it. We had more of a glam look before and we are changing our decor over to more of a farmhouse style. So I'm starting out by just wiping down the hooks and making sure that there is not any dust so I can begin painting. I chose to use the Scotch Delicate Surface Painter's Tape. We were at Home Depot yesterday and I'm looking at all the different choices for something as simple as painter's tape. And I couldn't make up my mind. I finally settled on this one because I liked that it was purple, which is, I know, a very trivial reason to choose something, but when I was left with that many choices and it was something so basic, I figured I'd have some fun with it. Because I am going to go ahead and paint these hooks a very matte black, I wanted to be sure to get the tape really close to those hooks so that there aren't any edges missed. Just because the contrast of the black and white, I figured any mistakes I made would show up a lot. Now that I'm done taping the hooks, I am using the Americana Decor Chalky Finish paint, and this is in the matte black color. I really wanted something that looked rustic to go with the rest of the new decor. I was so nervous to be painting with this black paint in our bathroom. We had just redone our floors and I have such a tiny bathroom. I did not lay down a drop cloth. I just was trying to be really careful, but I was definitely nervous. This was a ready-made paint at Home Depot. I actually saw it in passing. I was originally going to use a spray paint. And when I first brought up this project idea to my husband, he said, well, why don't you just take the hooks down and get something different if you're gonna spend the money on redoing it? Well, the problem being, when I first installed this hook about 5 years ago, I made sure it wasn't going anywhere. So I knew removing it would damage the wall and then I'd have to repair that anyway. So we were walking through the paint section and I was considering possibly a spray paint, but I really didn't want to use that inside of the house. And this was at the paint counter in the little turnstiles. And I just grabbed it as we were walking towards the spray paint. And then when I realized there was nothing really in the spray paint area that was going to work, and I really wanted something that was going to look great and last, and possibly even look like I maybe purchased it like this, I went for this pre-made paint that they had. I'm loving how this is turning out. There's just a couple little spots, one's like right here, that need just a little bit more paint. So I'm gonna do a third coat, but it's amazing. This like matte is beautiful. I was a little worried, I don't know why, maybe it's because it's chalk paint technically, or chalky, that it was gonna like not stay on there very well, but it was. Metal was one of the surfaces that you could use it for. So I'm gonna go ahead and do one more layer, let it dry, and then I think I'm gonna be done with this project. I am loving how this is turning out. I was a little nervous to pull off the tape, but it is beautiful. This is exactly what I was looking for, very rustic, and I'm really excited. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at DanceMamaDance to see more of my bathroom updates.